Hi, I'm Alex Pault with Open Systems Media and Embedded Computing Design, and I'm here at the Things Conference with Graziano Marcolli, the CEO of mcf88, and Franco Zampicinini with mcf88, and I understand you're sensor manufacturers.
Yes. I let my CEO talk, introduce our company.
Always got to let the boss say something first. Go ahead, yeah.
Yes.
And then I leave it to you. No, we have just a company specialized in research and development, and we design our range of sensor based on LoRaWAN technology. So we start 4 years ago on this application. We are specialized just on producing sensors.
Now, what types of sensors? Piezoelectric, optical, MEMS, all of the above?
No, we have a different line card of product. We have in the environmental sensor for indoor outdoor for air quality measurement. We have industrial sensor to have industrial connectivity with low cost, and also we have some sensor for vending machine. Is quite a particular sector, but our company is very specialized in vending sector. So our sensor are a bit different from competitor because we don't not sell only sensor, but also the service with the sensor, because we can have a great support from the customer, and the customer are happy when they talk us for information of sensor or which sensor are the most adapted for the application, and so we can help the customer to choose the right product for their application. And our sensors are manufactured and designed in Italy, and we choose high quality components because for us the reliability of the sensor is very important, because you can save a lot of money in long term because you have a better product, less maintenance, and a longer services on the field.
Well, that makes all the sense in the world, especially in an area like vending, because if you're going to have telemetry for IoT through LoRaWAN, a vending machine is a perfect thing to keep remote track of. Sensors, long, robust, vending machines aren't in the nicest environments, and they're not treated with kid gloves by the people that handle them, so everything's got to be robust, right?
Yes. The vending sector is nice for the LoRaWAN sensor because you can send a few data once a day, but you can also have alarm in real time to know the status of the machine with no SIM card, with low cost, and you can have the machine in far from the gateway, so it's a nice application. But also we have a serial interface, so you can, with low cost, connect different types of sensor for the manufacturers, and you can have online sensor or machine that are quite old with low effort.
Very nice. Now, what are some of the application spaces outside of vending that you're expanding into, or do you see any application spaces that you want to expand into?
Okay, I think a good market for LoRaWAN sensor is a retrofitting of a machine with some years old. So you can have a smart machine that previous are unconnected or not connected for all to the cloud. The environmental sensors also are important for us because the air quality matters in Italy due to the pollution, to the climate changes and so on. It's important to know the quality of the air, or also on the rooms for the school and so on. The quality of the air impact on the health of the people. So this is a sensor that we are proud to offer. Also, the industrial sensor, I think, will be a good
good fit? Or?
Yeah, a good fit. Sorry, I forgot the
no problem.
A good fit because you can have with low cost, low effort data that are very variable from the water level, from the energy consumption, from the input states, and so on. I think the flexibility of the LoRaWAN is the key for the success of the sensors.
Now, obviously, this isn't something you can just drop in. Well, in some applications, you probably can just drop in, but in a lot of applications, you want to make sure that the sensor's dialed in properly and the system is dialed in properly. So that requires engineering support. What kind of engineering support do you offer your customers to help them integrate your solution into theirs?
Okay, since we develop all in-house, from software, app and hardware, firmware. We are able to offer the full support to the customer. Since the first contact to choose the sensor, to the implementation on the server, to decode the payload and so on. So is a strength of our company, the possibility to offer a full support to the customer. And a customer appreciates it very, very much.
So Franco, where do we go to find out more about the company? What's your URL? What's the website?
Our website is www.mcf88.it. You can also ask for a quotation if you want to buy sensor. You will find the support of the sensor manual and so on, the coding, all the information.
Very good. I want to thank you, gentlemen, for taking the time to talk to us
Thank you
today.
too.
And I really appreciate you taking the time because it's a pretty busy show.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.